Good morning all. In this video, we will see the solution for HTTP operation exception. This exception you may face frequently when using rise alert activity in UiPath. Subscribe this channel to get more updates on UiPath. When using rise alert activity, this is the error message pop-up you suppose get sometimes. So what is the root cause for this error is it's just a permission error. So the robot you have connected, it's associated with any role. That role does not have permission for rising alert, create, edit, delete permissions. Let's go and this need to be updated in orchestrator. Let's check in orchestrator how to modify this permission set. This is the orchestrator I logged in. Go to users and roles. So which role you have connected? The robot is robot role in the sense just go and edit the roles. This role must have permission for creating edit, delete, view, alert behavior. If the checkbox is unticked, which means your checkbox is disabled, or if the permission is not assigned, you may face the HTTP operation exception, or the rise alert activity will not work. This is the exact root cause and solution for that error. Thank you.